The FAA has several different pathways for drone operators to begin operating their aircraft legally within the United States. Part 107 is one of those pathways, and that is really for commercial operations of a drone. So any work that's being done or for any business purposes, a operator must have a Part 107 certificate, and that's called a Remote Pilot in Command certificate. There's a few different ways to achieve or receive that certificate. The first method is for current private pilots, Part 61 certified pilots. They can actually take a free training course online. But for most of us, we will be taking a FAA exam at an FAA testing center, which consists of 60 questions. You have 2 hours to complete that test, and you must receive a 70% or better on it to pass that exam. Afterwards, you can apply for the certificate, at which point you can then proceed to operate your drone legally within the National Airspace System.